Okie dokie, good day to you and welcome. Talking really here, and you'll notice the other day I did a video, the emergency alert thing, which costing 22 million quid, and I told you about the 5 million that was going to Fujitsu. And as with every story out there, if you wait, then more information comes along. And unfortunately, I didn't wait. I put the video out, and this has come along. This is very important. It explains a lot where the money's gone. So 22 million, people say, oh, that's a lot of money. Where's it going? Well, it's going to two of the many owners of the company that got the contract. The contract went to Everbridge, and the two owners of this, the two top owners, guess what? Yes, no surprises. It's Vanguard and BlackRock. You can pretty much guarantee that these two are involved in every finger in every pie regarding the NWO plan and agenda. Vanguard and BlackRock. Yep. Now, what about the 5 million that went to Fujitsu? Well, that's a breaking story that came out literally after I made the video. It is actually 5 million or thereabouts going to Fujitsu, and they have subcontracted. Who have they subcontracted to? Infosys. Now, if you're thinking, oh, I recognise Infosys, I remember that from somewhere. Yes. Well, it's very simple. It is Rishi Sunak's family. It's his wife's father, I believe, who involved with Infosys. So you can see that Rishi Sunak and his family and his wife, who's already rich, are going to benefit from this 5 million thing. And then they've got the audacity, the bloody alarm doesn't even work properly. The story came out that 3 customers, not 1, 2, 3, not three people, but 3, the magic number, 3, the company, have actually been having a problem because many of their customers got the alarm because it wasn't working properly. So 3 customers, most of them, didn't get it. It's interesting. So they spent all that money on something and nobody got it. Or if they did get it, they got it hours late. I mean, it's just like having a tsunami or something, and getting a tsunami and thinking, God, I'm wet, and then it goes, beep, 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 you got a tsunami coming. It's like a bit late. Or as a nuclear bomb goes off, and you think, oh, there's a nuclear bomb going off. And then 3 hours later, it goes, beep, 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 nuclear attack. It's like, too late. So what is the point? Obviously, this is all about money transfer. What did I say? I said that before, didn't I? Money transfer. Money scam. It is going to 2 of the biggest players in this whole event. Vanguard, BlackRock, and of course Rishi Sunak. Oh, I'd hate to be right all the time. I really do hate that. But there you go. So that's the story, that's the update. And if you were wondering, like me, now you know the money, where it's gone. That's it. Have a very good day. Catch you later.